Hello, good day everyone. This is Tevs. Welcome back to this channel. This next repair is a 21-inch Panasonic CRT TV, model TC-21FX30P. Not turning on, a blinking indicator light only. I will show you how to fix it. If you're interested in electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you came to the right channel. So be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. So let's get started. Seems the inside is clean. This old TV should have many spider webs and dirt on this period over time. Maybe someone opened it, cleaned it, and tried to repair it. There, fresh soldering solder if made, indicating that someone tried to repair it. The blinking light indicator is a problem with the voltage supply. It may not be within the voltage range. So let's measure the main B+ supply. The voltage is higher than 100 volts. Or see the part number of the error amp. The part number is SE140, means the voltage is 140 volts. We can measure it at the terminals of this capacitor. The voltage is 141.9 volts, which is very close to 140 volts. The B+ voltage is good. Seems the TV is automatically shutting off. A CRT TV has a protection function. The protection function activates when the B+ supply and the other lower voltages, like the 5 volts, 9 volts, exceeds its range, or have a problem with the playback transformer.
This is the protection line and has a voltage of 4.0 volts. We can disable it by disconnecting this jumper. Now the jumper has been disconnected.
Let's measure the protection line again. From the protection source, it has a voltage of 9.1 volts. And the protection line has 0 volts. And the TV turns on now. All voltages are normal, and it seems the display has no issues. The issue may lie within the protection circuit itself. We should identify the problem in the protection circuit. Otherwise, we can disable it.
Removing the protection is not bad. Many CRTs have no protection at all, and they are safe without it.
A few moments later.
The TV is now working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. You can support this channel by liking and subscribing. Click the notification bell to stay updated. Once again, this is Tez. See you again next time. Bye for now.